Yeah, we're back again. Yeah, we're gonna make a short video. We got a lathe job to do. I'll quickly show you. Nice job actually. So we got this ring here. It's from a cutting machine for meat. What diameter we got here, as you can see, got 4 inches inside diameter. It's about 100. So what the guy needs is a 80mm piece. So that's about there. You see, he needs a 18mm one. So we're gonna cut it right here. What's so special about this thing? As you can see, it's got this one here, and it's really thin, you know. That's a special one. So we're gonna put our 6-jaw chuck in it, you know. Put it in like this. And we're gonna machine this side off here, and then we're gonna put an angle on it. We're gonna clean this one here with the file maybe a bit, with the steel brush. We're gonna mark it with the lathe. We need 18, so we're gonna make 21. And then we're gonna cut it with a small grinder with a thin disc. Then we're gonna put it into there again, machine the rest off, and then it's finished. Nice and simple if you got a 6-jaw chuck. So I'll see you on the lathe or the finished product. See you then. Yeah, we just finished this side here. As you can see, we made the flat piece, and we put the 10 millimeters angle on it, going that way. I tried it with 5 degrees, but 10 degrees is better. Did deburr it and everything. We didn't take too much off it, you know, just to take the rust off, you know. As you can see, sandpaper. There we got it. And outside, made the same thing. The file, we went over it. We put our scribe line here. We need 18, this is like 21, so we're going to cut it with a cutting disc. And that's that. I'll see you then. Yeah, we're back. Yeah, we cut some stuff already here, as you can see. Cut it with a grinder. So we're just gonna we've got 22. We can measure it nicely here, as you can see. We need 18, so that's a lot. For the rough stuff, we're gonna use this one here. It's like 45 degrees or 30, whatever. And on the last cut, we're going to use this digital stuff. So let's go. Let's make a few cups here. So we've got some videos to show. I'm actually a bit would like to show you some more, but velocity keeps going in by hand. See? There's some stuff here. Put some stuff on it. Nice and easy. And then you still have to make the 10 degrees on it. As you can see, we got a lot of play, 21, we need 18, so that's a lot. So, I'll make 2, 4, 6, might even make a nice I didn't put this one on here because we can, you know. I don't like using this when this is fastened, but we know it's secure, so let's go for it. No, it's not working, I don't know why. It's not working because this has gone loose, you know. So let's have a quick look. And now it's working. This is too slow, you know. But we'll make one cut. Doesn't matter. Just for the sake of it, you know. Too slow, you know. It should be a rough cut, but I have to be careful, you know. Finish there. Go there. Take it back. I'm just going to make a measurement just for the joke of it, you know. We got 20.
Nou hierdie oefenprogram wat ek doen vir die 7 mediese bataljon groepings beskryf tydens basies want hulle het nou hulle basiese opleiding vir die 7 mediese bataljon.
I don't know how much.
Dit bestaan daaruit dat ek hulle op
So let's make it by hand actually here. Make it by hand, it's too slow, you know. Let's do some cutting here. Goes a bit quicker. Back. Going up there again. How much have we got? Yeah, we got 19, so we need 1.6. I'm gonna make another one cut here for the rough stuff. Something like that. Start up there. Got this one here. There we go. So we got 19 there. Another one cut. Switch it on there. Going in there. So we got 18.8. Okay. So we got 17 there. What I like to do is this sometimes gets loose here. So we're just going to put 17 on it. Could get loose, so I know where it should be. And as you can see, we got here, we need 18. So we're going to put 4/10 on it. We got to go. Right. Gonna put 4/10 on it. Yeah. Here we got 0, as you can see. So we're gonna put 4/10 on it. We're gonna loosen our sled there. Put 4/10 on it. 2/10, 3/10. Yeah, that's 4. Okay. Gonna fasten it again there. Go right into there. Switch on there again. Put this in here. Let's see. Make another measurement there. 3/10, you know. Could turn it a bit, you know. Keep on the safe side there. Yeah, it's 3/10. 3/10 we need. Yeah, we still got 17 there, you know, so it doesn't get loose. 3/10 we said we need. Go. We're going to loosen that. We could put this on 0 actually if you really want to.
toe verplaas na 7 medies toe tot 1989. En daar het my loopbaan toe nou drastisch verander. Ek is
Zero.
nou so 'n bietjie van 'n snel opgedrag het om 'n ouer program te gaan aanbied by 7 medies.
So that's going to be the final cut.
Ek het in 1993
So we need 3/10.
om dan saam die beste ouens
And we finished.
bestes leer bevelskapkursus by die leerkollege te doen. G930.
Maybe we can put a bit more on it.
Ons het nou op 6 tot 8
That's a bit too much. So we're going to retract it, put it on there.
Na dit het ek van Oktober 1994 tot April 2000 was ek die bevelvoerder van die ou mediese kommandement verre noord geweest. Ek is daarna terug verplaas na die hoofkwartier toe, die ou Suid-Afrikaanse militêre diens hoofkwartier of militêre gesondheidsdiens soos nou bekend staan
Too much, I think. Put it on there.
10 aanvullende gesondheidsberoepsgroepe moes omsien met betreffende hulle beleid en loopbaanbeplanning en so voort.
Bit weird when you
Ek het op 1 Januarie totdat ek afgetree
work with the camera, you know.
Julie was ek die adjunkdirekteur of nie die adjunkgeneesheer-generaal van die weermaag. Ek moet sê ek het baie hoogtepunte in hierdie 38 jaar loopbaan gehad, maar ek dink wat ongetwyfeld
okay, that's it.
daai tydperk by die militêre hospitaal.
Switch it on there.
Dit was soos baie ons sê, my werk was my stokperdjie. My stokperdjie was my werk geweest. En ja, dit was beslis die toppunt in my loopbaan.
Okay, let's switch it on there.
Anta was 'n verpleegkundige in November, so ek het met 'n
So we
wonderlike
got
plek
that.
gekry. Ons het begin met 'n dokter.
That's nothing. So we're gonna
En baie van die basies het ons beskou as 'n straf.
open it again. So we got 3 minus actually. We need 3 plus. So that's 0. And we need 3 plus actually.
Maar nou eers op my ouderdom.
The camera you
Nou eers
put.
besef ek waarvan af dit alles gekom het. Nou ons het dit nie so intensief.
There we go. Now it's right. Was a bit too low, but okay, there we have it. So let's switch on there. This is the final cut. We might as well use this one here. Then we're going to make the 10 degrees one. There. Switch this one off. Not here. Let's make another measurement. There we go. So we got 200. That's perfect. 18 is right. Make another measurement there. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so we got the 18. You can see we left our knife inside. We won't go back, so like this, we go out. So we're going to make the 10 degrees and I'll see you then. Okay, that's the finished product here. There we go. That's the offcut. We also turned that down. You never know. I'll see you next time.